my jewels, and welcome to my channel. I am Black Gold, and on this channel we talk about fashion, wellness and life. Today we're going to talk about some fashion. It's fashion that I've been deprived of my entire life until I came across the great Fumi Fumi taught a life hack. Now don't laugh at the bra please, because she told us in the tutorial to use an old bra. I have always been heavy chested, and because of that I have been unable to wear backless clothes. Sometimes I try to wear strapless bras, but you know, it makes my titties droop a little too much. And Fumi, she taught us a life hack for us bigger boobage girls, the 34 triple and double D's going up the road. I finally get at age 52 to wear my back out. Stay tuned. Yes, my jewels, Black Gold is not going crazy. I am not out here wearing a bra on the outside. In fact, I am demonstrating the bra hack, or as I call it, the life hack that has now afforded me to wear backless outfits. Yes, we are backing this thing up. This is how it works. And of course, you can't do it without bra tape. As you can see, it's righted up. This bra tape, this is all I have left. I don't want to use it up. Fumi shows you how to use this bra tape in order to secure the bra. And you will see in my demonstration video to come, it took me to another level wearing backless outfits, and I was in heaven. I decided to start slow, like Tina Turner. And in the end, we are going to do it rough. So my first outfit, guess where I returned? Yes, I went back to Rattan's and I got this fantastic black peplum backless, well, not backless, it gives just a peak of back, and it was a cotton mixed with rayon type of material with some spandex thrown in. And I wore that with white shorts, a pair of black loafers. It was just a cool look, and I wore a black crossbody bag and my normal everyday, yes, those are my eyeglasses that I'm wearing, and it was just a simple chic go anywhere outfit, and I loved it. What do you think? This second top came directly out of my closet. I can't recall where I bought it. However, when I originally wore it, I closed the back up completely and made several knots so that I'd be able to wear a normal bra with this outfit. But look at it now, Fumi's bra hack, and I'm wearing it with confidence. It's cream, the arms were wide, it was flowy, and I felt so comfortable. I didn't feel too naked. I paired it with green pants, well, you know, green with colors intermixed that really matched the top. There was a bit of yellow, a bit of cream, a bit of red, all that highlighted and brought that entire outfit to life. Not to mention, I topped it off with, oh my God, that pair of platform cream loafers with that gold buckle going across. It gave that outfit life, and I was so happy about it. And as I said, we're getting warmer. We're getting warmer. Back that thing up. What do you think? For my third outfit, it is getting hotter. This cream and black outfit, oh my goodness, it was cotton material, so it was breathable, long sleeve with slight puffs on the sleeves. I was so happy in this outfit, I had to dance. It pleased me so much. There were ties when you get to the back, you see there's a tie at the neck and a tie at the waist, and I was feeling like $1,000,000 dancing the night away. Where can I go with this? And I shopped my closet, and yes, I topped it off with a pair of wide leg pants, a pop of color I chose to introduce in the form of my shoe. I wore 4-inch heels just for you, my jewel, and matching earrings that captured some of the orange too, to add some color up top against just the cream and black. And I chose another accent piece, a Jimmy Choo bag. My jewels, I keep telling you, stick with me. Stick with me. I found that bag in a thrift shop. I cannot recall its name, in Atlanta in 2021. Guess how much I paid for that? Jimmy Choo. Just remember, it is Jimmy Choo. As a matter of fact, I think it's close by. How much did I pay for it? $10 for this clutch. There's no shame in thrifting. What do you think about the entire outfit? I think it was wonderful. Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at that point where we're gonna take it rough. Yes! Outfit number 4. Cotton material with eyelets laced up to the back. How can I thank Fumi for allowing me, for giving me the opportunity? Long sleeve, again, slight puff in the sleeves. I took the tie from the laces, laced up the back. It was that long, and I brought it through the pair of jeans. I was wearing a pair of wide leg, bootleg jeans, and I paired it with platform shoes. I took it back to the 70s. Bell-bottom jeans and black platform shoes with a zebra print to the bottom, and it was such a comfortable wear. This top, oh my goodness, this entire outfit, and I should even mention the jeans. If you're my size, and you know, this is not a video about weight or anything, but if you're my size, guess what? You could shop in the junior section. This is another tip. This jean was bought at Nordstrom for $45. Really fantastic material in the BP section, which in other words is like the teenage section. But because of the size, I was able to shop there and get a fantastic deal. But let's get back to the top. My back felt the breeze. I'll insert some pictures that we took on location in this outfit because it was such a fantastic outfit. What do you think of outfit number 4? Because at the end of this, I want you to rate which one was your favorite. But let's go on to number 5. I don't want to skew your opinion in terms of which backless top is your favorite, but can I say this is mine? I am not a fan of pink. I often say blue is my favorite color. I love blue, but this is the first time I'm wearing pink since I was a child, and this outfit is so fantastic. From the front, it's a 3/4 sleeve, sort of satin-esque material, but the back, it laces up, but there are 3 silver rings that you pass the lace through. And again, it was long enough, so I tied it up several times around my waist. It's more cropped than any of the other tops that I wore, but I didn't feel naked. To my Trinidadians, my first top was from Rattan's. My skirt is from Anand's, another store that sells reasonably cost items. You just have to look for the gems, as I keep saying. My skirt is a sort of accordion pleated type skirt, and it has on it several, a face. It has a patch of pink, it has blue, it has black, and this was my outfit that made me look formal. To add to the formality, with a black and silver diamante clutch handbag. On my feet, I wore a pewter silver tie pumps. This was my favorite, and it probably cost the least when put together as an outfit. Let's talk about how fantastic the bra hack is, that at this age I could finally wear backless outfits without looking vulgar, without looking inappropriate, without looking like I'm trying too hard. I still, again, want to repeat, this bra hack is not my original idea. I found it on YouTube, Fumi Desalu Vold. I am going to link Fumi's YouTube channel in the description box. If you are part of the Big Booby Committee and you find it hard to wear outfits like these and you're wondering how, Fumi has taught us how. Go see how you do it. Buy the tape. I bought the tape, the bra tape, on AliExpress. I'll be honest with you, but it is sold locally in Trinidad, and I'm certain it is sold in the US, in the UK, and so on. As a matter of fact, Fumi has her own brand. So if you want, support a sister. Don't forget, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share it with your friends and your family, and don't forget to leave a comment telling me which one was your favorite. Is this FDV approved, Fumi? See you in the next one. Bye.